Welcome to Jumbo Kids channel. Today we're gonna see about top 10 weird places around the world. The world is a weird place, and from a rose-colored lake to a Japanese island ruled by cats, we have got 10 pictures to prove it. Without any delay, let's get into it. Number 1. Spotted Lake, British Columbia, Canada. Spotted Lake has long has been revered by the native Okanagan people, and it's easy to see what they think of it as scared. In the summer, the water of the lake evaporates and small mineral pools are left behind, each one different in color to the next. The unique lake can be viewed on Highway 3 northwest of small town of Osios. All the visitors are now asked not to trespass on tribal island. Number 2. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. 60 million years ago, a huge volcanic eruption spewed out a mass of molten basalt, which then solidified and contracted as it cooled, creating the cracks that can be seen today. There are an estimated 37,000 polygon columns at this World Heritage Site. Number 3. Pamukkale, Turkey. A remarkable UNESCO World Heritage Site in southwest Turkey. A visit to Pamukkale also takes in the ancient ruins of Hierapolis, the once great city that was built around it. Water cascades from natural springs and down the white travertine terraces and forms standing thermal pools perfect for a quick dip. Number 4. Lake Hillier, Western Australia. This remarkable lake was discovered in 1802 on the largest of the islands in Western Australia's Rajachi Archipelago. This lake keeps its deep pink color year-round, which some scientists say it's down to high salinity combined with the presence of a salt-loving algae species known as Dunaliella salinea and pigment bacteria known as halobacteria. Number 5. Badabi Surt, Iran. These beautiful travertine terraces in northern Iran are an incredible natural phenomenon that developed over thousands of years. Travertine is a type of limestone formed from the calcium deposit in flowing water, and in this case, it's two hot springs with different mineral properties. The unusual reddish color of the terraces is down to the high content of iron oxide in one of the springs. Number 6. The Tianzi Mountains, China. Found in the northwest of Yunnan province in China, these staggering limestone pinnacles are covered in lush greenery and often shrouded in mist. A cable car goes as far as Yunxi villages, and from here there are plenty of trails to take in the breathtaking views of Tianzi. Unsurprisingly, the inspiration for the floating mountains in the blockbuster movie Avatar. Number 7. The Nazca Lines, Peru. The animal figures and geometric shapes etched by the ancient Nazca into Peru's barren Pampa de San Jose are one of South America's greatest mysteries. Visible only from the air or from a metal viewing tower beside the highway, some of the unexplained shapes are up to 200 meters in length, and each one is executed in a single continuous line. Number 8. The Bermuda Triangle, North Atlantic Ocean. Long shrouded in myth and mystery, in the infamous 5 lakh square miles, also dubbed the Davis Triangle, in roughly the area between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico. Although the US Coast Guard disputes any such area exists, conspiracy theories thrive on stories about unusual magnetic readings and ship's paints and people who have disappeared here without a trace. Number 9. Socotra Island, Yemen. Separated from mainland Africa more than 6 million years ago, this remote island looks like the set of scientific film. Socotra's incredible and unique biodiversity means that there are plants and trees here not found anywhere else in the world. Particularly bizarre are the ancient and twisted dragon's bed tree and the bulbous bottle tree. Number 10. The Hand in the Desert Child. Chilean sculptor Mario Irrazabal is responsible for this weird work of art rising out of the sand in the middle of Chile's Atacama Desert, 46 miles south of the city of Antofagasta. Irrazabal is known for his works associated with human sufferings, and this huge, unnerving sculpture captures a feeling of loneliness exhibited by this desolate and secluded location. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.